Kani kiri kedu darshan MEGHALAYA bagi pedang subhai pi baro syakatup kubor minta kejan miet. Shabin pash ki kubor ki bebnya ipechwa ya kimat pekongsan. Wanra umetri rangba kejelang ukon sangmai kamang tengka bersiajan kedai sepak nyok poklut tengka jenis 6,000 aksan akunril. Jubab Menteri Rangba kejelau konrit kisang mahalor kejeng tanyai kejeng keren ulat kular benetai halor kimat belara akhir dorba. Gloi ke sorkar benet keren halor ke artikel lais pak nyok kuwe lada don kejeng dawa Menteri Rangba kejelau konrit kisang ma. Patho Menteri Rangba kejelau konrit kisang ma so Menteri Rangba ke Assam benet keren lang Pandit Railang halor ke jengjabok kal air bernihat. Ki kubor ki babnia. Menteri Rangba ke jela. Konrit ki sangma. Bobat ru ya katanat kampla tingka. Ne kesngi ulawan ra kamang tingka. Bashi hajar kendai spa nyopo klur tingka. Jong senam 8,000 arpusan 8,000 arpun rio haying dorbar tauan. Habawan ra kamang tingka. Konrit sangma ula pentip haying dorbar. Baka sorkar jela. Kakami lenti ben kamai arpusan hajar rio spa arpunyo klur tingka. Kat baka jeng pelut lakmi lenti bekalong hadu arpunyo hajar san spa kendai punyo klur tingka kabe per kumba si hajar kendai spa nyo po klur tingka. Ukonra ulaong baka jeng siw ya kasut na kabenta usnam 8,000 arpusan arpun rio kalong si hajar lai spa sau punyo klur tingka baka jeng siw bay bam temen kalong si hajar praspa arpusau klur tingka. Hakajing keren ke jong ulaong baka jing duna hakamang tingka kalalong hapo ke kerdan balasya kabalong lai ponsan na kasispa. Menteri Rangba konrit kisang ma ulaong baka mang tingka jong usnam 8,000 arpusan 8,000 apun rio kum kamang tingka jong kipat ba lani ke people's budget. Haba keren sekala patai kubor hadin paulawan ra kamang tingka haying dorbar tauan ne kesngi. Ukonrat ulaong ba ka focus plus program katemu na kabentaki nong rep. Ula pentip ru ba ka sorkar jelakan sedang ya ke CM scholarship scheme kaban penmentoy ki kena pule. Ula pentip ru bagi program kum ka CM assures kan penmentoy yakin nong rep ha kapor bagi kendu jeng Kat kum ukonrat baru ki program bala kedawa ke jeng keren ke jong halor ka roy kapar jong ki jaka yele kai kan la ban yarap ya ki samla.
That programs like CM Assure, this is meant for the farmers during their distress. We have kept, last year itself we kept 100 crores. This year again we are adding another 50 crores. So we'll have a pool of 100 plus crores in this kitty. And as per requirement, we'll keep topping this up. But this money will be available to help farmers during their distress that is there. All the programs I've mentioned in the discussions, in the speech, if you look at it, whether it is if you look at the programs for the sports that we're going to create, these are all infrastructures that are going to directly support the youth and give the opportunity to the youth.
Haba jubab ya ke jengkeren jong lat ha kapor papelong ya ke dorbar mang tingka Menteri Rangba ke jelau konrit kisang mau la shimkia halor kimat ki baper balai tai bat ula ong bakan long ke besitom bania tai sani halor kimat ula kular pabaro kimat on sakmi binia. Konrad ula banjur bagi skim balawan ra ada ke sorkar MDA hakini kisnem ka buak mat na kabenta ka jeng baha jeng kinong rep kabade ka tanat bekongsan ha ka bapala nyopusan na ka sispa jeng kinong song gide gi betrei ka kamrep usang ma ula kularia ki indor bar ba ka sorkar kan se shim ya ki lat kilenti ban ki bala ban penbet ya ki mat balayatai.
Share different development programs, the different schemes and policies that this MDA2 government has tried to bring in the last many years. So the farmers have always been a very important section of our society. 75% plus people are engaged in farming activities or farming related activities.
Menteri Rangba Kejela ukonrit kisang mau laong ba kam shim ladon kanu ke jing kren ha ka day bat ka article lais pa anyo puwe lim ni kam shim ladon ka jing thau ka committee ben kren halor ke ni kamat ulaong ba haba jubab ka jing kali jong MLA ka not chlong uba Adelbert nongrum halor ka article lais pa anyo puwe ha yeng dor bar hne ka singi Hindre ulaong ba la da ka don ka jing dawa la ni ka daw ka pabiang ben kren ka sarkar ka la ban perkhat halor ka ni Shushu ukonrat ulaong ba kam shim ladon kanu ke jingdon kam bani kren halor ka article lais pa anyo puwe namar ba ka jela ka ha po ka six schedule.
Sir, of course, if there is a requirement and there is a demand, and if there is any reason for us to allow a discussion to take place on the matter, we can have particular provisions. But as I said, as of now, the state, the schedule areas, we come under the 6th schedule, and the provisions are there to protect us and our culture, our land, our people.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tinsong haba jubab ke jingkeli jong MLA ke mauring keneng uba Livingstone Karparan halor ke jingbu ke Fire and Emergency Services Station ulaong ba kani ke kam kalanang ya chakmat ula pentip ke sarkar dangshen kaladep shim ke jaka ke bahe kumba arpu 8,000 square feet bala IT ya kani ke jaka ke Home Police da Deputy Commissioner Shushu ula banjur ba ke jingpen kre ke detail project report bantai ke yeng kan sedang no shen
Recently, government has taken over the land. And the total area is about 22,000 square feet. And we have just taken over, and the DC has already handed over to Home Police. And very soon we are going to prepare DPR for construction of the office building of the fire service station. And once that is completed, sir, the station fire service station will be ultimately operationalized.
Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih ke Sarkar Jela urakam sangma haba jubab ke jingkeli jong unong yalam kaliang persau Dr. Mukul Sangma halor ke College of Architecture and Urban Planning atura ula pentip ke yung dorbar bala dep anteyaka ula ongru ba ketenaga kalathau ya sau pun riu liki kam na kabenta ban senge ke college wada pedeng ke jingpen slam urakam la pentikna ba ya kam la dep pendep Pagkatanat kadang up ban yo jingbit na ka All India Council for Technical Education shwa ban la ban pentrekam ya ka college.
Website often once a year, that is on December and in the month of December only. So in the year of this year, in the December of 2025, we will apply all the formality for all the permission approval from the competent authority to run the process.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konret ke Sangma berjubab ke call attention belawan radu MLA ke Jirang upa esoten harbai day berkakai pot jong ke jingjabok ke air habernihan Meghalaya ulaong ba ke sarkar ke shim kia banyatai halor ke nikamat badru ban shim ikilat ke lenti bedon kam ka Bernihat Industrial Area ha Assam ka bedon hajan Bernihat Meghalaya ka don ye shibun teliki karkhana ki bapenmi ekal air jabo ka Central Pollution Control Board kala itho ika Bernihat kum ka jaka ka bejabo hadien ki jing ptha na ka National Green Tribunal bat ka CPCB ka Assam Pollution Control Board kala shim ki lat ban pen bhai ka Mariang ha Bernihat Usang maula ong ba ula tho sa Menteri Rangba ka Assam ha ka ba ula kerpat ya baro atli State Pollution Control Board banya trelang ban la ban penbet ya ka ni jing air.
There is certain level of pollution or activities from both sides. I think that is number one. So to say that it is only happening on Meghalaya's side or only happening on Assam's side would not be fair, and it would be difficult to really pinpoint that. So at the end of the day, the two state governments have to work together, especially the pollution boards. And I'm happy to inform you that I have written a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, requesting him for the same, that because of the air pollution quality and the AQI in Bernihat, which happens to be border area, the two states and the two pollution boards must work in proper coordination and collaboration.
Menteri Ketenat Public Health Engineering Marcus N. Marak haba jubab ke jeng kelib lawan ra ada UMLA ke TMC urupa Marak halor ke jeng long jingman ke jeng sam hapo ke Jal Jeevan Mission hasno model grey ke bahap hapo ke dada grey block ulapan syai baka ni ke jeng sam kamshim la ban penpoi shabaro ki long giang hasnong ulapan tip ru baka ni ke projek lamang naduk ke khat rio terik unai tung jong snam hajar arpuwe ha ke jeng lut ke bahinyok lur arp kundai lak khat pra hajar tingka kawan la ban penpoi syaki long giang bertemai hapo ki weipat ki scheme
Sanctioned on 16/7/2021 for an amount of 7,29,18,000 to cover two villages, as I said, Ajrigri and Dadingri. The scheme provides coverage to Modelgiri village, which is one locality under Dadingri village. The scheme is physically completed and has been provided with functional household tap connections to 856 households. So therefore, sir, government has already considered these 15 newly grown-up households shall be covered from another scheme.
Ka MEGHALAYA kan omachu ke jeng pelip boarding metau stem wada pedang ke jeng tuna pisah ke tenat MEECL ke belapan long ke sorkar jela ban penjelan ke jeng ai jeng erap ke bakendai spa klur tingkah syak ni ke tenat malau stem. Haba keren cikla patai kubor u kontrol la pentip ke corporation kelanang la benteri kambha ban lat nak ke jeng nong wat hadin bakla nong ha ke aggregate technical and commercial ke belah yar syak ke khat pra nak ke shispa. Ukuan red ong bagi ladon kijing persang ban perlong ketenat kebayok nong bat kebeterai kambha. Kat kum ukuan red, ke sorkar mentakan pai kemat sya ke jingtuna ki substation hakeleng ke jela.
No load shedding or regulated load shedding takes place in the state. And this was done last year. There was no regulated load shedding. And this year also, we have announced that there will not be any regulated load shedding, which is a big achievement keeping in mind where MECL was at one point in time and how it has been very challenging to come to this level. At the same time, we are still facing problems because limited number of substations that are there, which then lead to frequent cuts in power because of different conditions that are there at the grassroots level. And because of the large distribution network without the sufficient amount of substations.
Laingut kinong shong kali bishong ha kali kamai klamen sa hodin ke jingtu ko ka kali bakatata sumo shlong bypass ka bahap po ka jingkmi jo kushnong umroi nongra hari boy hinin kesngi kani ka taksi kamai kalami na boy dembong banlet sa umyam kat ba ka tata sumo kadang temu banlet sa boy dembong layo jingte bonongnya jong ka taksi kamai shim lala bantet lakam ka kali na ka daw ba ula buat ka blalam sha kani ka jing accident lapen kit ki bamensau sa boy dembong si HC ban yo ki jing sumar ki bakerke Mentang ini pek ke jenglong jaman ke swimming hatura. Ke jeng kreat kelong 4 degree Celsius, ke jeng shit kelong laipu R degree Celsius, ke jeng ngam kau hau menta ke singi kelong arpo na ke shispa. Haba pai pat kenong ba shilong, ke jeng kreat kelong 10 degree Celsius, ke jeng shit kelong arpo 0.1 degree Celsius. Ke jeng ngam kau hau menta ke singi kelong laipu sau na ke shispa. Kat pa hajuai pat, ke jeng kreat kelong 10 degree Celsius, ke jeng shit kelong arpo R degree Celsius. Ke jeng ngam kau hau menta ke singi kelong laipu sau na ke shispa. Kasuin benengkan rang hagi bubun ki jaka hatura juwai pada Shillong. Shwaban poi shubukut jang tuk kubori pe biang sesi ni kimat bukong san. Wanra Menteri Rangba ke jela ukon red ke sangmai ke mang tingka besi hajar kendai sepak nyo poklur tingka jong senam hajar arkusan hajar arkun rio. Jubab Menteri Rangba ke jelau konrit ke sang mahalor ke jingetai nyai ke jing krenulat. Kular penyetai halor kimat balara hayeng dorbar. Gloi ke sorkar bani kren halor ke artikel lais pa anyo puwei la don ke jing dawa Menteri Rangba ke jelau konrit ke sang ma. Bat tho Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kisang Mas Menteri Rangba ke Sam de Trelang halor ke Jingjabo kal air haber nihat. Ti perlok ketung lapoi sebukut jang tu kubor jengim ta ke janmiet. Hadup ini syam yang berpila syai kesi kublai pi paro.